We will discuss Bitcoin and XRP in this episode. We'll discuss the two enormous catalysts that will drive these cryptocurrency markets skyrocketing, as well as the 5 most popular cryptocurrencies that stand to gain the most from President Trump taking office. So, without further ado, have a seat and unwind. I hope your coffee is hot. Let's start with a Bitcoin and $95,693 since I know I do. As of right now, it is down 2.1% during the last day. Ethereum is currently down 3.35%, with a current value of $3,373. The USDC is trading at $1, and the USDT is trading at 99 cents. It's almost $2.19 in XRP. At $3.3 trillion, the market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies is currently down 4.5% in the last day. The range in which we are sitting is extremely stable. As we previously mentioned, the range of Bitcoin is going to be enormous, ranging from 90 to 100,000. Although we haven't yet, that will happen in the first quarter of 2025. What are they doing at the moment? They are manipulating the markets and the price of Bitcoin, and they are not yet prepared for the breakout that is about to occur. It is long overdue, and once Bitcoin reaches a new all-time high of almost $180,000, there will be a strong breakout. After 115 is broken, the floodgates will open and the market will start to rise as Bitcoin prints. We are going to test 115. It's godly light candles, and Bitcoin has that parabolic blow-off top that will lead to the most crazy altcoin season you've ever seen. During tax season, keep in mind the blueprint, which was very straightforward and bullish until the tax season correction. The playbook that has always been a playbook is what we've been preaching on this channel. January will see 2 significant occurrences that, in my opinion, will serve as the impetus for the commencement of this bull run. With President Trump taking office, Gary Gensler will finally leave the SEC in less than 3 weeks, which will be a spark in his own life. After Gensler leaves, the SEC will be taken over by someone we know will be passionate about cryptocurrency. How do we know it's easy? Trump is a huge supporter of cryptocurrency. He has already named a crypto czar and has other crypto-focused employees working for him. They recognize the advantages and the possibilities, and they comprehend. This is a crucial race, and they want the United States to win once the U.S. gives the all-clear. The U.S. informs the institutions that it is safe to enter the market since there will be a significant influx of capital into these cryptocurrency markets. They have been extremely open about this, so it is no secret. Big organizations like Goldman Sachs are telling everyone this. Everyone in this place, including the general public, ought to allocate 3 to 10% of their income to cryptocurrency. Indeed, they only mention Bitcoin because we are aware of what people mean when they hear the term. Those who lack market knowledge are unaware of the thousands of other cryptocurrencies that are available. The first step is to learn about Bitcoin. After that, people's interest is piqued. They begin their research, study, and look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies available, and they begin investing money. If institutions are to contribute 3 to 10% of their assets, this market will be inundated with trillions of dollars, and the bull run is far from over. We're not even close. All coins have not gone parabolic bullish till tax season, a minor correction, and Bitcoin has not yet reached its blow-off top. Many people will leave the market around tax time, thinking that the bull cycle is over. However, once the cycle picks up speed and enters its parabolic phase again, we will witness these altcoins reach previously unimaginable heights before Donald Trump's second term sends these 5 cryptocurrencies skyrocketing. I want to draw attention to one important point in particular. They discuss HBAR. Since the beginning, we have been discussing and advocating for HBAR. A sleeping giant is HBAR. Extensive relationships support them. It is trading at the moment. It's been a while since I last looked at the HBAR chart. It's probably between 25 and 30 cents if I had to guess. Since the beginning, we have been contacting HBAR. Take a look at that. For about 30 cents, I didn't have to look at it. It's a 6x. It is not even close to being finished. I made a 550-cent call on this. Is it able to rise? 100%. Will it increase to 50 cents? I really think it will. In my opinion, HBAR has every chance to go from 75 cents to $1. Those are just really conservative figures, and this bull cycle is still very early. 56 cents is its highest point ever. It's peanuts. It's nothing at all egregious. According to cryptocurrency, XRP is just a lot of noise until one of these two things occurs. Scenario 1, where the key level is worth $2 to monitor. We don't want to see XRP fall below $2, he says, and a confirmed break here will be moving toward the lower targets. It's approximately $186. We previously showed you the XRP chart, and at 265 we pulled this out. At 272, it will tell us that the fireworks will be lit and the celebration will begin. Let me blow this up there, and you go to target. Even if we break all the way down to a $22, a 10x still puts us up into that double-digit region. If we can hold $2 and climb above 272, we will see a $3 to $4 XRP very quickly, which then opens the floodgates to get XRP anywhere between $15 and $30, $24 being that sweet spot. He got the breakout $2, then he has a $96 exactly where our target is on it, $164, $137, and a $22. We do not want to visit those levels, but if we do not panic because the rebound will still occur. If we can hold this $2 level through the end of January, all of this will happen in 2025. The most deserving people to see XRP lead this bull run, lead the bull cycle, and have the largest gains are US XRP holders who are not in the overall market. Let's keep the price above $2 since this is going to happen. Although there is a 4-cent discrepancy, technically it is a $96. It might be referred to as a $1.96 to 2. We should maintain that level. Let's keep up this effort. Let's raise XRP to $15, $20, or $25. We previously showed you the charts on this. This might very well happen. Why do we say that? That's an additional $3.5 trillion from here if we're looking at $7 trillion in cryptocurrency, which I observe taking place, and XRP achieves a 6% market cap at its lowest. It also achieved a 6% market cap back in 2017 and even in 2020 when the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple, claiming that XRP was security and delisting it from all U.S. exchanges, including some foreign ones. If we see that parabolic blow up top, as we did in 2017, when we were able to achieve upward of 20% market cap dominance, then the fun begins, because when we get up there, we're looking at a $15 to $30 XRP, folks. At the very least, we're going to get a 6% market cap dominance here, which gives us roughly a $6.50 XRP. $15 to $30 in XRP. This is the chart. As you can see, only yesterday, the chart was begging for a short sale at the $2.30 price level. As you can see, it provided you with your take-profit entries, which should have been $2.26 but ended up being $2.21. We're sitting at $2.18. It's indicating you should have taken an entry on XRP around $2.19 with a stop loss sitting around $2.15. Where we obtained a wonderful, it's a medium-sized support sitting at about $2.13. If you date back to last week's films, even 2 weeks ago when you look at the videos and what we covered on the price chart of XRP, we're pretty much in the same region we were looking at. We would want to see a hold here. We would love to see a bounce up here approaching the $2.40 mark is where we run into resistance. Where we have been unable to break out, it's going to break $2.40 and $2.50 is going to be a little bit of a pain in the butt for XRP. But the breakout will occur opening the floodgates up to $2.72. For now, everything is just noise, that's all. Edgar Crypto says, I'm stubborn at $27 when we're looking at a lot of noise. Applying the same metrics to the present price movement, He concludes that nothing should have caused an explosive 50,000% gain when XRP crossed the $21 EMA during 2 weeks to move to the cycle high. Crossing the 21 EMA is nearly equivalent to a 5,000% pump, which brings us down to about $27. If we make a historical comparison, we recently discussed the 2017 move, and if we examine that move along with the present pump, it leads us to the $27 level. I'll blow it up for those who are watching the screen. The $24 to $27 objective on XRP in 2025 is real, very real. If we discount the move by a staggering 90%, the 4,770% pump is only a portion of the whole 50,000% potential. The events that occur early in Q1 should be closely monitored. Pay attention to the banks and the institutional players who are trying to get in when Trump takes office, what he does on his first day in office regarding cryptocurrencies, who is appointed, and what they want to do to help the U.S. lead. This is a long game, and by long game, I mean within the next 12 months. For now, ignore the FUD and stop looking at the chart every 15 minutes.